Welcome to Frat Pack Self-Taped Audition Tip of the Week. I'm Darren Kahn, and this week's tip, framing. Always look for specific instructions from casting and follow exactly how they want you to frame your audition. But if there's no instructions, what do? Well, for starters, the top of the frame should always be right at the top of your head, give or take an inch. Just make sure your entire face can be clearly seen. And typically you want to be in a medium close-up, sometimes more of a medium, sometimes more of a close-up. Here are a few guidelines that'll help you determine when to do what with your framing. Frame your audition closer to a medium shot if it's comedy, you're high energy, it's a physical audition and you need to show casting how you look fighting or dancing, if you're shouting in your scene, if you have a lot of action or business, or if you're auditioning for a commercial where they need to see you interacting with the product. Frame it more of a medium close or a close-up if it's drama, if you're still and you don't rock or sway, if it's more intimate and you're whispering, or if you're trying to hide your stage business because you're miming it. Stay focused, stay in frame, break legs.